Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀. So 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀 is an AI powerful CRM and marketing platform to help your agency manage clients. It has various features such as workspaces, and on each workspace you can manage separate clients, and on the workspace there are also many features such as the people or the CRM feature where you can add various people or your leads, and on those people you can also add their contact information. You can tag them with certain tags, you can add their country, company or the lead status, and so many other different features that you have just like a CRM. And then there are also various apps that you can connect, various AI agents that you can utilize, and the best part is you can even run regular email campaigns on this platform. And 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀 is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, and right now it is on Plus exclusive. So the early access or this Plus exclusive status is going to end after 5 days. So after 5 days the price is also going to increase, and currently the lifetime deal price of 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀 is only $59. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you have all these tiers. The tier 1 is going to cost $59. That gives you 2,500 contacts, 25k emails sent per month, and 250 AI credits per month. If you want more limits you can opt for the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, and the highest tier is this tier 5. And other than the contact, email send, AI credit, there are also some other features such as the team member. You can manage team members, add team members, you can create workspaces, domain, you can add domain, A/B testing, sales email sequence, and so many other features. So if you want to buy 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀 on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. So here's the roadmap of 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀. On the left side you can see all of the features that are currently in progress. So workflow templates, Outlook integration, Make integration. So there are some really good integration. So all of the integrations are currently in progress, as well as the lead enrichment, email validation, pipeline and deals. So there are multiple important features that are currently in progress on this roadmap, as you can see. And then there are also some features that are currently on next on the list. So the competitor researcher agent, AI image generator, meme maker agents. So multiple AI agents are also on the roadmap for the next features. So now let me show you how 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀 is going to work. So once you log into 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀, you have to provide your brand name as well as the logo of your brand. So as you can see, I have already set it up. So SLD is the brand name, and then you can also see the logo on here. And now currently I am on this people section. So here is the CRM. I can add various people on here as well as their information such as contact information. I can also add various tags on them. I can add their country, contact source, job title, and there are also multiple other fields. So if I click on this edit view, as you can see, these are all the fields that are currently appearing because I have activated them, but I can also add some other fields such as this MRR, LinkedIn, total spent, first name, last name. So all of these details, so all of these fields can also be added. All I have to do is just click on this and then it is going to be added. It is going to appear on this dashboard. And for example, I want to add a new property or a new field. All I have to do is just click on new property and then provide the property name on here, and I have to select what kind of property or what kind of field it is. So it could be text, email, phone number or something else. I have to add that, and then I can just click on this create property in order to add that field. And on this left top I can also filter these people, the people that are added to my CRM. So if I click on here, I can also select all people, which means I'm going to see all of the people, or only VIP customers, or only the happy customers. So I can also filter by these segments. So other than this filter, you can also use this filter on this right side. So just click on this, click on add filter. Now the filter could be based on your contact properties or activity. So if I click on these properties, so these are all the different properties that I can use as filters. So these are all those properties, or I can also create the filter based on the contact activities. So if I click on this, so contact created, added. So these are all the activities that I can use in order to create a filter. Now about adding contacts to the CRM or 𝗗𝗀𝘀𝗀, this is also super easy. You can add one individually, or you can also add a lot of them at once. So for that you have to click on this plus icon, and then you can create a new contact individually. So as you can see, here is the name. So now you can start by entering the name, then you can add the email, phone number or other information. But if you want to add a lot of contacts at once, you have to do that using the CSV file. So click on this import from CSV, and now you have to click on this new import. Now you have to browse your file from your computer. It could be Excel file, Google Sheet file or even a CSV file. It should be in CSV format, so keep that in mind. So all you have to do is just select that file and import all of the contacts from that file. And once the contacts are added, they are going to appear just like this one. So for example, if I open a contact, this Vanessa, this particular contact, if I open this, I can see all of the activities of this contact. I can see their email, the notes that I have added for this particular contact. So as you can see, one note has been added. I can also add another. Just click on add note. Now I can also add another note, and on this note, if I click on this plus icon, I can also change formatting, such as I can add headings, and if I click on this setting, I can also get some further adjustment settings, and I can also move it somewhere else. And other than the notes, I can also add tasks for this contact. So as you can see, 2 tasks are already added, and if I mark it as done, it is going to be on this done folder. As you can see, I can also add another task. All I have to do is just provide the task name. I can also select the due date. I can set a reminder if I want. Then I can also save this task, and I can obviously see all the activities of this contact on here, as you can see. And on this left side, I can see the contact details such as the email, phone number, address, annual income, annual revenue, and also some other information. I can also see this information. And on top, the contact name is added, also the tag, as well as I can also add some more tags on here if I want. For example, if I want to tag it as lead, I can also add this. And as you can see, this particular tag has been added, and I can also send the email directly from here, which is amazing. So just click on this and then click on connect email account. So now you have to authorize and connect your email account. And for email, Swipe 1 has Gmail integration that is powered by 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀. So you can connect your Gmail account and then you can send email directly from here, directly from this contact section. And if you want to delete this contact, simply click on these 3 dots and then click on delete. So this is how you can super easily manage all the contacts that you have added to this CRM. And then after this contact or people, we have these workflows. So you can create workflows or automations on here. All you have to do is just click on create workflow and then provide a name and then click on next. And as you can see, now we are on this drag and drop workflow editor. So you can super easily add various triggers, conditions, and even action on this particular workflow editor. And there are also some upcoming actions such as the AI agents that can personalize email, and also some tools such as AI agent, lead finder, and search and scrap. So these are 4 features that are going to be added to the platform very soon. And you can add something else. For example, you can add a trigger. So let me add this one. So as you can see, I have added this particular trigger, and then for example, I want to add this condition. So all I have to do is just add this condition, and I can also connect this with this one, and I can also delete this particular trigger. So there are multiple triggers, and you can also connect various applications. So if you click on this plus icon, you can connect Shopify, WooCommerce, and all these different platforms in order to make sure your automation has all these steps you need. And then obviously you can add these conditions as well as all of these different actions. So this is how you can super easily create workflows or automations. And then on the left side, we also have these apps. So all the integrations are here. So you can connect any of these applications such as Swipe Pages, Webhooks, Shopify, WooCommerce. So all of these different platforms, all of these popular platforms are here to integrate. So there is Slack, 𝗵𝗍, Zapier, Zoho Form. So there are almost all the important integrations are here. So you can connect with them if you want. And all of the connected applications are going to appear on this particular section. And then on the left side, we have these AI agents. So there are multiple agents on here. Onboarding agent, email campaign creator, ICP generator, tweet writer, LinkedIn post writer. So there are multiple important AI agents that you can super easily use. For example, I want to use this email campaign creator. So all I have to do is just click on this and then click on get started. So the AI agent is now asking some questions. So here are some questions and here's my answer, and I'm going to send this answer. So now what is it doing is scraping this website or searching on this website what this brand is actually about. So once again, after finding information from the website, it has asked some more questions. So let me come up with the answer. So here's my answer. Now I'm just going to send this. So based on my answer, it has came up with a ICP. It has generated an ICP, and it has also successfully stored the knowledge and came up with a onboarding business report. So here's the business report. And also there is a user report. So here is that. So I couldn't create the email campaign because first I have to provide the business report. The AI agent has to get some information about the business. So it has done that. Now I can create the email campaign. So I'm just going to click on this, and then now I can start a new job with this agent. So as you can see, this email campaign agent has came up with some questions. So these are 4 questions that I have. Let me answer them. So here's my answer. Now I'm just going to send this. So here's my answer. I'm just going to send this one. So as you can see, here's the email, the sample email the AI has came up with. So now if I want, I can just ask it to proceed with this campaign with this email, or I can also ask it to make any adjustment or try a different variation. So I have multiple options, and if I ask it to create the campaign, it is going to create the campaign, the email campaign that I can find super easily on this campaign section. So here is the campaign section where you can create regular email campaigns and you can send emails to your prospects or customers. So here's one campaign. Now if I want to create another, just click on create new campaign, provide the campaign name, and then I have to choose the email type. So it could be simple emails or rich emails. I want to proceed with the simple emails. And now here's the campaign editor. So I can provide the subject line on here. I can select a segment on here. So there are currently 3 segments, and I can also write the from name on here. I can connect my email from here, and for the email body, I have to start typing from here. I can also see the preview on the left side, and on the right side I can use the AI. So for example, if I want to create an email using the AI, I can also do that. So for example, I want the AI to write an email welcoming signups. So let me generate the email. So as you can see, the AI has came up with this particular email. So now I can also adjust any part of this particular text or the body, email body. If I want to add something, I can add headings or elements or media. I can also change various settings such as the spacing, alignment, text color, font settings, and I can also drag and drop it anywhere. For example, if I want to drag and drop it on here, I can do that super easily. And I can also set the dynamic text. It could be address, annual income, or something else from here. So these are all the different options. I can also change text formatting from here, and there are also some more options in order to add subscript or also change the alignment. So this is how I can super easily edit the email body. So I have chosen this simple email, but what about the other one? So let me also show you that. So I'm going to create another campaign, and for this I'm going to select this rich email. And as you can see, this particular templates have opened. So there are so many templates that you can use when you want to use rich template for your email campaign. So these are all the different campaigns. As you can see a preview of them. So here is a preview. You can use any of these templates, and on the left side you're going to get all of their categories. So there are categories for lead magnet. So these are all the different types of email templates for lead magnet. And if I want to use, for example, this one, all I have to do is just click on this use template. So as you can see, the editor has opened. Now I can edit anything on this template. For example, if I want to edit this particular text, I just have to click on this, and on the left side I'm going to get all of the editing options. So once again, I have got the editor on this left side, so I can edit anything about this particular image from this left side. And if I want to add something else, I can also choose that from here. So basic headings or bullet list, numbered list, or I can also add various elements or media. So this is how I can super easily edit or add various elements to this particular email template. And on swipe 1, there is also workspace settings. All I have to do is just click on this brand name and go to this workspace settings. So from here I can change various settings about my workspace. I can also add various members, team members on here. All I have to do is just add a member, and then I can add various members. I can also manage the domains. So I can add a domain, connect a domain from here. I can add various API keys. I can also import contacts that I already showed you. And I can also export all of the contacts that are currently on my workspace. So overall, I think Swipe 1 is an excellent tool that lets you manage various people or the leads that you have with a AI powerful CRM. And other than that, it also has some more marketing features such as the apps. You can integrate various apps with this. There are also various agents, and you can also run email campaigns to reach out to more people and promote your product or service. So if you want to buy Swipe 1 on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. Here are all the features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also this tier 5.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.